video is part of my slow motion series for very visual learners, and in it I'm going to demonstrate tinking. And if you're not familiar with tinking, tink is the word knit backwards, and it's a way of undoing your knitting stitch by stitch to go back and correct a mistake. And I have other videos on tinking. Let me think. If you click the little eye in the upper right hand corner, I will give you a list of all of my slow motion videos. I will also give you a link to, I know I have at least 2 tinking videos out now for different stitches, and I'll find them and put them both in there. This one I'm going to demonstrate both knit and purl stitches. So let's go slow-mo. We're starting with tinking knit stitches. I'm going to take the tip of my left needle and put it into the V below the stitch on the needle. It'll be easier to see in this next stitch. The V below the stitch on the needle, put the tip of my left needle right in the center of that. Pull that stitch off the needle and pull the working yarn to unravel the stitch once it's safely on the left needle. Right in the center of the V, off the needle, pop. I think the most awkward thing about tinking is that we're sliding the stitches the opposite direction we normally slide them. Okay, now we're up to the purl stitches. And to make it easier to see what I'm doing, I'm going to yarn forward between the 2 needles, give the working yarn a little tug, and the loop that you see right under the needle, that's what you want, just like you did with the knit stitches. Yarn forward, little tug, and the loop that opens up there when you tug, that's where you want to tink. Of course, when it's not slow-mo, it goes more quickly than this, but this is certainly a safe way to unravel a little bit of knitting without risking live stitches that might unravel. Last one kind of wants to stretch out on me. Got it. Ready to reknit that row now. And that's it. I just undid a whole row of knitting, knit and purl stitches, 1 stitch at a time, so I didn't have any loose stitches unraveling and making me crazy. Again, all of the links you could possibly ask for will be up in the little eye in the upper right hand corner. I hope that helps. Good luck.